there are two types of analysis in stock market, and people get confused like, are you teaching technical analysis, and what is that technical analysis and everything. So I'm just going to kind of clarify on that. Hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks, and upcoming author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. And what is that major difference between the two? So before I say that, just please click the subscriber button, and so that you will get lots of videos every day on stock market, mutual funds, and everything. Okay, so fundamental analysis is all about understanding the company, which is the qualitative analysis, understanding the relative valuation. Is this company very high, cash flow, all these aspects, so you know whether to invest in this company now or later based on the valuation what you are at. So this is a method, this is quite easy to do, right? This is called fundamental analysis. And technical analysis, and when I say this, and you can invest in stock market with this, people used to ask me in my webinar that, then what about technical analysis? Without that, how can we invest? That will show you when to invest in stock market. The point is, technical analysis will show you the momentum, like you can invest at this point, but within a day, if the momentum is changing, you will always lose your money. And there is a probability. For learning the technical analysis, you need to know when to enter, when to exit. You need to practice regularly, then only you will become a trader. If you want to become a trader, please go and learn technical analysis fully, and then you can start trading. And you need to spend some amount. Without spending or without giving, it will not, you will not be able to master trading, and you will be able to take money. But you need to constantly think about which stock to trade on a particular day, which if you're getting into futures and options as well, there is a possibility to make huge money. But have you heard any trader making huge sum of money, or a wealth creator across India or across the world? Right, so just think about that on that line. But investors, most of the huge investors, Warren Buffett or Rakesh Junjunwala, Vijay Kedia was once a trader, and he just came to he learned that only by investing it's possible to create wealth, and he just shifted to become an investor, just like what I did. I was a trader, I don't know what is trading and investing, I was doing that, and then become a investor immediately after understanding in a few months time. And then I started doing investing. I invest, I leave as it is. I know that stock will do good, maybe not in a month, but it will show some progress in the second, third month. And if I need some grow money immediately, I know how to pick that stock. That too purely by doing qualitative and quantitative, two things, qualitative and quantitative. So two things together, I know my money will grow to the next level. And I've done successfully couple of investments for myself, for my clients, and everything. It works, right? So this is more than enough, and risk is not there, almost like zero risk. It's in trading, unless you master, the risk will be like this. It can be like this, and if you lose money, it can be like this and even bigger. But when it comes to investing, it's all about zero risk. It's almost like zero risk, because you know the qualitative part, quantitative part. Qualitative, what is that? Whether this company is good to invest. It's not just blind investment. Infosys, what are they? How are they? How long they are there? Is this company having debt? And how, what is the cash flow of the company? Is the earning per share growing consistently? What is the return on equity? Is it growing consistently? All these aspects, along with that, are what, who are the competition for this company, and how long they are surviving, what is the cash flow, all these, what is the economic mode. There are huge things which needs to be done. And then tackling it with the quantitative, you will get a bigger picture, should you invest in that particular Infosys stock or not. Infosys, easy example, you can understand, so that is the reason I told. So if you need any particular example, don't hesitate to post your comment, so that you need to do, or else I will invite you to my webinar. You, if you want to learn more about understanding on stock market, how to pick good quality stocks easily without thinking much, within 5 minutes you'll be able to take 25 to 30 stocks easily. I'll give you a biggest framework if you attend my webinar. Thank you so much. I hope this clarified that what is technical, it is all about making money. Fundamental, it's all about making money as well, but in the long run, the creating wealth aspect. Thank you so much.